Okay, and in this video I'm just going to solve the second question from Thursday's class, which says x plus 4 is a factor of f of x, where x is real and q is an integer. Show that q is equal to negative 5, and hence find the three roots of f of x. So I'm going to use the factor theorem here, which you should know by heart. It's the factor theorem that says f plus 4 is a factor of f of x if and only if f of negative 4 is equal to 0. So we can conclude, given that x plus 4 is a factor, we can conclude that f of negative 4 has to be 0. F of negative 4, we're just replacing all our x's with negative 4's in the function. Negative 4 cubed plus q times the square of negative 4 minus 22 times negative 4 plus 56. All of that stuff has to equal to 0. Just a bit of number crunching here. Negative 64 plus 16q plus 88 plus 56 equals 0. So 16q, 88 minus 64, 24 plus 56, that's 80 plus 80 is equal to 0. Solving that equation, you should find that q is equal to negative 5. So q is equal to negative 5. First part done, q is equal to negative 5. Let me just have a look at the second part here now. And so we're going to find all three roots. Given that now we've proved that q is equal to negative 5, we're going to say f of x, which is x cubed, plus qx squared. Actually, that's equal to negative 5, so let me just change that to a subtraction. So q is equal to negative 5, so it's going to be minus 5x squared, minus 22x, plus 56. And we're told that x plus 4 is a factor of that. So that's equal to x plus 4 multiplied by something else. How are we going to find the something else? Well, we could do polynomial long division. We could do synthetic division. I'm going to try synthetic division here. How do we do it? We take the opposite of the plus 4, which is a negative 4. Put it in a box here. Write down all my coefficients from my dividend. Skip a line, draw a line, bring your 1 down here, multiply by negative 4, we get negative 4, add to negative 5, we get negative 9, multiply by negative 4, we get positive 36, add to negative 22, we get 14, multiply by negative 4, we get negative 56, adding we get 0. Should be no surprise we get 0, that's the remainder. This is my constant, this is my x term, this is my x squared term. So what goes in here? Well, this is the quotient in here. X plus 4, the quotient, x squared minus 9x plus 14. That's what I'm multiplying by this thing, by x plus 4 to get the original cubic. And that can be factored. Let me do it up here. That's x plus 4 times x minus 7 times x minus 2. Check your factoring, make sure it's good enough. So there's your three factors. Therefore, the three roots of f of x are, let me write them out in a set. The first one is the opposite to 4, negative 4. Second one is the opposite to negative 7, which is 7. Third one opposite to negative 2, which is 2. So three roots. Notice the roots are the values I plug in to the function that give me 0. Plug in negative 4, we get 0 times everything else. Plug in 7, I get x plus 4 times 0 times x minus 2. Plug in 2, I get a 0 in the last bracket. All of these values will make that function equal to 0.